Hello everyone, today we make together Tarte Tatin or apple Tatin, one of the most traditional French dessert with really beautiful taste if you make it the right way. I present it with chocolate steak and vanilla ice cream. I have made it many times in my restaurant, in the hotel which I work, and all of them they love it. And I try to make with little golden pepper, caramelized steak, and the best we make it from sableh dough. The traditional way we make it with buff pastry, but I realize in the last few years when we present it with sableh dough is wonderful. If this first time to watch my channel, my name is Ahmed Younis. Please make subscribe. I would love you leave comment after the video. Let us know what you want us to do. The recipe is very simple. 200 gram sugar, 100 gram butter, 70 ml fresh cream. That's it. This is all what you need, and this is the rich caramelized we want for Tatin. Some of chefs added to the same recipe 20 gram of glucose. I try both, but I think this is the best flavor. So only sugar in medium heat, and we stir until all melted. Tarte Tatin is very famous. Also we can use with pear and strong mango. We make it with strong mango. Is not the soft one, just like green mango, and they give a beautiful taste and aroma. As you see, I stir on the sugar until all melted, caramelized. Make sure all these lumps disappear. Keep stirring. As you see from the edges, all the crystallized sugar must be melted and becomes, as you see, clear caramel. Then I added butter, 100 gram butter. All the recipe I leave in description box below. I mix until absorb and dissolve the butter to the caramel. Then finally I added fresh cream, 70 ml fresh cream, and my Tarte Tatin caramel is ready. In silicone mold, we added 1.5 centimeter of caramel. You can leave it to cool down, or you just, as you see, 1.5 centimeter. Then you cut the apple, skin less all the apple, then you cut it as you see. Some chefs cut wedges, cut apple wedges. I prefer to make small slice. When you cut small slice, it's easy to absorb the caramelize and cook inside the caramel and give more flavor and aroma. You have to put the apple or the fruit double size of the mold. So if the mold high 4 centimeter, make 8 centimeter apple, as you see, double quantity. If you have this slicer machine, will be much easier, especially when you make a big quantity. This much easy. I try to cut different way, and all of them you will see in the end what looks like, and this is very important. is the way we set up the apple is very important. We have to make upside down and the opposite side, so when it's cooked, when we press it, it becomes harmony like one piece. Apple tatin, one of the best hot dessert in French restaurant or French bistro. And all hard fruit, any hard fruit you can use it is the same way. You can make whole slice, you can make wedges, but I think this is the best way to make tartatin. All what you do, you bake it for 200 degree, almost 10-12 minutes. It's depend about your oven. After that we press, and you will see because why we make high volume of the mold, because apple is 50% is water. As soon as you got heat in the oven, all water go out and reduce the quantity to the half. So if you don't have silicone mold, you can use this aluminum foil or aluminum cup, and it works and really becomes very good taste. But in silicone mold, it's much easy to take out the tatin whole piece. Very important way, after I bake all and I have the size I want, I keep it cool down, I keep in the freezer. Is the best way I do it for the big quantity. I keep in the freezer so the whole tatin becomes more strong. Then I remove out, then I reheat it a la minute, and with this way I keep all service very hot, and I can serve a la minita or a la minute. Last minute I can add the vanilla ice cream, which one of the good combination. As you see, I make wedges little bigger, not like a small slice, and it all works if you cook it well. Most of us here don't have silicone mold, so this is in all supermarket. You can have this aluminum cup, and this aluminum cup also we use it for hot chocolate or lava cake. 195 for 20 minutes. This is what I'm doing, but after 10 minutes I remove. You will see now, after I bake for 10 minutes, the apple goes down. I have mold cover with aluminum, then I press, as you see, I press the apple so it will be all deep in the caramel. In same time, it will cook with the flavor of caramel and butter and fresh cream. You see the quantity reduced to half. So that's why I put extra than size of the mold. The traditional way, when I bake 50%, I added puff pastry on top. As you see, puff pastry. But the modern way, which I like so much, I keep like this, and I bake sableh dough separate, then I stick two together. As you see, I keep it in the freezer for 2-3 hours. When it's be strong, I remove the whole piece, then I reheat it. In last minute, I can serve with caramel steak, with vanilla ice cream, and the base of sableh will always be crunchy. Thanks for watching my channel. Please make